we start by inserting 4 sugar beads on the thread, and then we cross on one. So this is the crossing I'm talking about. You insert the other end of the thread and then you pull it. Insert 2 beads on one thread and then 1 bead on the other fishline thread. Now here you cross on the one with the 2 beads, just like we did for the first bag. So this procedure is called the 1-1 crossing. So we are doing this 1-1 crossing till we get to the 31st length. So this is the third part we are doing. So here I think we had the 30th part. So it was left just one for us to make a 10. So in turning, we know that we place 3 beads on one thread and then any of the thread available because it's the first one. And then we cross on the first bead showing on the thread and then we get a U-turn. So this is the turning we were talking of. And now you pick the next thread which is on your left. To me, it's on my left. So when you're doing it, if it's positioned like this, the left thread will be the one which will take the 3 and then it will now be inserted in the next one. So you add 2 beads to it, you cross on the first. When you're done crossing now, we will enter the thread into 2 of the following or next bead. So 1, 2, and we will add 3 of the beads. So 3 of the beads. So 1, 2, 3, and we cross on the immediate one. So after crossing on this, we'll get a round circle of 6. So make sure your circle is up to 6. So insert in the next 2 again and add another 3 sugar beads. So 3 of it, and we cross on the immediate one again. So this will be our second circle of 6. We'll move ahead to the next 2. So 1, 2. After inserting in it twice, we continue with another 3 of the sugar beads and cross. So we've gotten 3 circles of 6. So we'll move ahead till we get 6 circles of 6. So this is our 4th circle of 6. So add 3 again and you cross, and then you get the 4th circle of 6. So it's giving the bag this arc-like shape. It will be forming an arc. We are now heading to the 5th one, and so 3 and then across. So the one I counted was 5, and this is the last one, which is 6. So I inserted in 2 again and added the 3 or 3 sugar beads and crossed. So now you can see it is a circle of 6. So we are now moving ahead with the 1-1 crossing. So this one, you just insert in 1 and you add 2 sugar beads and you cross. After crossing, we will move to the next one and we will insert the thread in 1 bead and insert 2 sugar beads on the left thread and cross. So we are doing this 3 times. So this is our second, and we are moving ahead to the third one. So insert in 1, insert 2 sugar beads and cross. So you can see we've gotten 3 of it. 1, 2, 3, and now we move ahead to the circle of 6 again. So you insert the thread in 2 sugar beads on your right and then insert 3 of the sugar beads on the left thread and cross on the immediate one, and you get another circle of 6. So this is the first circle of 6 on this side. We are moving to the second circle of 6. So you can see beading is kind of stressful when you're doing it at home, but online we have been making some editings and cutting some parts off. So when you are having problems or difficulties, don't worry, it's part of it. Yes. So we've gotten to, I think, the 4th circle. So this is the 3 and then the crossing. So 1, 2, inserted. Now you add 3 and you cross. So this is what you get. So you are moving on to the last circle of 6. So since I've been filming, I let the thread become too short. As a beader, your thread shouldn't be this short. It should be longer so that you'll be able to insert backwards. So here I could realize that the thread has become very short, and it's not advisable to leave yours to be shorter like this. So we will insert backwards and we will cut it off. So here we inserted backwards and we will cut off the excess or the remaining small one, and we will continue. So guys, we will continue from the next step because the thread got finished. So we will